Welcome. This is a complete sample test of 90 questions based on your 1B lesson. It follows the same structure as your second semester exam. Section 1, Reading. Section 2, Vocabulary. Section 3, Grammar and Structure. Section 4, Writing. For every question, listen carefully and choose your answer, then check the correct answer on the screen. Take a pen and paper, and let's begin. Your signature is the part of your handwriting that says the most about your personality. It is quite normal for your signature to change during your life, because your signature reflects how you evolve as a person. It is also common to have several signatures, a formal signature, with your name and surname, when you sign a credit card or a passport, and an informal signature, just your first name, when you sign a birthday card. A signature usually contains either a first name and a surname, or initials and a surname, or, less often, a first name and initials. Your first name represents your private or family self, while your surname represents your public self, how you are socially and at work. If your first name is more prominent in your signature, this implies that you have positive feelings about your childhood, and that your private self is more important to you than your public self. If your surname is more prominent, your public self is more important to you. The more space there is between your name and surname, the more you wish to keep your public and private self separate. If you use only initials, this means that you are more secretive about that part of your personality. Legibility. A legible signature, where names can be clearly read, implies that you are a person with clear ideas and objectives. The more illegible your signature is, the less assertive you are as a person, and the more you tend to avoid conflict. Angle. Most signatures are horizontal, rising, or descending. A rising signature means that you are the kind of person who, when faced with problems, will work to overcome them. Usually optimistic, you are in control and ambitious. A descending signature means that you tend to get depressed and give up when faced with problems, and that you lack self-confidence. Some people's signatures go through a temporary phase where they go down, which shows that they are going through a hard time or an illness. A horizontal signature suggests an emotionally stable person who is well-balanced and generally satisfied with the way their life is going. Size. If your signature is bigger than the rest of the letter, you are self-confident and have a high opinion of yourself. Some people sign in capital letters, which suggests they are arrogant rather than self-confident. People whose signature is smaller than the rest of the text may be insecure and have low self-esteem. Section 1. Reading. Questions 1 to 10. Read the passage carefully, then answer the questions. Question 1. The main idea of the text is that signatures blank. A. Reveal information about a person's personality. B. Are very difficult to read. C. Have a long and interesting history. D. Are an exact science. The correct answer is A. Reveal information about a person's personality. Question 2. According to the text, which statement about signatures is true? A. Your signature never changes during your life. B. It is normal for your signature to change as you evolve as a person. C. Everyone must have one single signature. D. A signature should always be formal. The correct answer is B. It is normal for your signature to change as you evolve as a person. Question 3. Your blank represents your public self, how you are socially and at work. A. First name. B. Surname. C. Initials. D. Nickname. The correct answer is B. Surname. Question 4. According to the text, people who use only initials in their signature blank. A. Are more secretive about that part of their personality. B. Have clear ideas and objectives. C. Are usually optimistic. D. Are emotionally stable. The correct answer is A. Are more secretive about that part of their personality. Question 5. The word legible in paragraph 3 is closest in meaning to blank. A. Readable. B. Large. C. Rising. D. Secret. The correct answer is A. Readable. Question 6. It can be inferred from the text that people with illegible signatures blank. A. Tend to avoid conflict. B. Are very assertive. C. Are arrogant. D. Enjoy being the center of attention. The correct answer is A. Tend to avoid conflict. Question 7. What does a rising signature suggest about a person? A. They give up easily when faced with problems. B. They work to overcome problems and are usually optimistic. C. They lack self-confidence. D. They are emotionally unstable. The correct answer is B. They work to overcome problems and are usually optimistic. Question 8. A horizontal signature suggests that the person is blank. A. Emotionally stable and satisfied with their life. B. Depressed and pessimistic. C. Arrogant and self-confident. D. Secretive about their feelings. The correct answer is A. Emotionally stable and satisfied with their life. Question 9. Insert the following sentence in the correct place. In other words, the angle of your signature shows how you deal with problems. A. 9A, B. 9B, C. 9C, D. 9D. The correct answer is A. 9A. Question 10. All the following statements are true according to the text, except blank. A. The more space between your name and surname, the more you wish to keep your public and private self separate. B. A descending signature may show that a person is going through a hard time. C. A signature smaller than the rest of the text may indicate low self-esteem. D. A signature bigger than the rest of the text indicates insecurity. The correct answer is D. A signature bigger than the rest of the text indicates insecurity. Section 2. Vocabulary. Questions 11 to 30. Personality adjectives, word formation, and word stress. Question 11. I don't think he's going to get very far. He's totally blank. Ambition. A. Ambitious. B. Ambitioned. C. Unambitious. D. Ambition. The correct answer is C. Unambitious. Question 12. You can't trust John to help. He's completely blank. Rely. A. Reliable. B. Unreliable. C. Relying. D. Relied. The correct answer is B. Unreliable. Question 13. She's so blank. She won't give me a hand with my homework. Help. A. Helpful. B. Helpless. C. Unhelpful. D. Helping. The correct answer is C. Unhelpful. Question 14. He said he liked my sister, but he obviously doesn't. His blank. Sincere. A. Sincere. B. Insincere. C. Sincereless. D. Unsincere. The correct answer is B. Insincere. Question 15. She never has any good ideas. She's not very blank. Imagine. A. Imaginary. B. Imaginative. C. Imaginable. D. Imagining. The correct answer is B. Imaginative. Question 16. People say he's blank. We can't trust him with money. Honest. A. Honesty. B. Dishonest. C. Honest. D. Dishonesty. The correct answer is B. Dishonest. Question 17. Which word is closest in meaning to bad-tempered? A. Calm and relaxed. B. Often angry and irritable. C. Extremely shy. D. Very talkative. The correct answer is B. Often angry and irritable. Question 18. Which one of these words is different? A. Conscientious. B. Reliable. C. Hardworking. D. Lazy. The correct answer is D. Lazy. Question 19. The opposite of self-confident is blank. A. Insecure. B. Arrogant. C. Optimistic. D. Sociable. The correct answer is A. Insecure. Question 20. He's so blank. He behaves like a child. Mature. A. Mature. B. Matured. C. Immature. D. Maturity. The correct answer is C. Immature. Question 21. She never gets stressed about anything. She's very blank. Go. A. Easygoing. B. Hardgoing. C. Fastgoing. D. Slowgoing. The correct answer is A. Easygoing. Question 22. Which word has the stress on the first syllable? A. Creative. B. Assertive. C. Loyal. D. Impatient. The correct answer is C. Loyal. Question 23. His mother's really blank. She doesn't want him to get married. Possess. A. Possessive. B. Possessful. C. Possess. D. Possession. The correct answer is A. Possessive. Question 24. Which one of these words is different? A. Cheerful. B. Optimistic. C. Gloomy. D. Happy. The correct answer is C. Gloomy. Question 25. She always does her best in everything. She's so blank. Conscience. A. Conscientious. B. Conscientious. C. Conscious. D. Consciousness. The correct answer is B. Conscientious. Question 26. He refuses to change his mind, even when he's wrong. He's very blank. A. Stubborn. B. Flexible. C. Considerate. D. Reliable. The correct answer is A. Stubborn. Question 27. She's very blank. She never runs out of new ideas. Create. A. Creation. B. Creative. C. Creature. D. Created. The correct answer is B. Creative. Question 28. Which word is closest in meaning to talkative? A. Quiet. B. Chatty. C. Shy. D. Secretive. The correct answer is B. Chatty. Question 29. If you don't know the exact adjective for a person, the best way to describe them is blank. A. She is the kind of person who always helps others. B. She is helps people. C. She help. D. She is a person of help people. The correct answer is A. She is the kind of person who always helps others. Question 30. Which of the following words does not have a negative prefix? A. Unambitious. B. Unreliable. C. Cheerful. D. Dishonest. The correct answer is C. Cheerful. Section 3. Grammar and structure. Questions 31 to 70. Auxiliary verbs, echo questions, and the, plus comparatives. Question 31. A. I've never been to Australia. B. Blank. I thought you had. A. Haven't you? B. Have you? C. Didn't you? D. Don't you? The correct answer is A. Haven't you? Question 32. A. Your sister works in a bank, blank she? B. No, she blank. She's a journalist. A. Doesn't does. B. Does doesn't. C. Doesn't. D. Does. The correct answer is B. Doesn't. Question 33. A. You didn't remember to buy coffee. B. I blank. It's in the cupboard. A. Didn't. B. Did. C. Do. D. Have. The correct answer is B. Did. Question 34. A. I wouldn't like to be famous. B. Neither blank I. A. Would. B. Wouldn't. C. Do. D. The correct answer is A. Would. Question 35. A. I hate getting up early. B. So blank I. A. Do. B. C. Have. D. Don't. The correct answer is A. Do. Question 36. A. Emma doesn't like me. B. She blank like you. She thinks you're very nice. A. Does. B. Doesn't. C. Is. D. Has. The correct answer is A. Does. Question 37. A. Sarah's had a baby. B. Blank she. I didn't know she was pregnant. A. Did. B. Has. C. Had. D. Was. The correct answer is B. Has. Question 38. A. It's cold today, blanket. B. Yes, it's freezing. A. Isn't. B. Doesn't. C. Wasn't. D. Is. The correct answer is A. Isn't. Question 39. A. I'm not very good at swimming. B. Blank. Neither am I. A. Are you? B. Aren't you? C. Don't you? D. Do you? The correct answer is B. Aren't you? Question 40. A. I love clubbing. B. So blank I. Let's go to the bar. A. Do. B. C. Don't. D. Will. The correct answer is A. Do. Question 41. A. Will your boyfriend be at the party? B. No, he blank. He's away this week. A. Won't. B. Will. C. Isn't. D. Doesn't. The correct answer is A. Won't. Question 42. A. I didn't go to the meeting. B. Blank. I saw you there. A. Didn't you? B. Did you? C. Don't you? D. Won't you? The correct answer is A. Didn't you? Question 43. A. I think they'd probably get on well. B. Blank. But my sister doesn't talk much. A. Do you? B. Would you? C. Are you? D. Did you? The correct answer is A. Do you? Question 44. In which sentence is the auxiliary used to add emphasis? A. I did call you twice. B. So do I. C. Isn't she. D. Neither have I. The correct answer is A. I did call you twice. Question 45. A. She's rather shy and quiet. B. Blank she. So is my brother. A. Is. B. Does. C. Has. D. Did. The correct answer is A. Is. Question 46. A. You're Tom's sister. Blank you. B. Yes, I am. A. Aren't. B. Don't. C. Isn't. D. Didn't. The correct answer is A. Aren't. Question 47. A. I've been to Turkey twice. B. So blank I. A. Have. B. Do. C. D. Was. The correct answer is A. Have. Question 48. A. He doesn't like coffee. B. Neither blank she. A. Does. B. Do. C. Is. D. Has. The correct answer is A. Does. Question 49. A. You haven't finished your homework. Blank you. B. Not yet. A. Have. B. Haven't. C. Do. D. Are. The correct answer is A. Have. Question 50. Which auxiliary is stressed in this exchange? A. My brother is a pilot. B. Is he? So is mine. A. Is in is he. B. My and my brother. C. Pilot. D. Mine. The correct answer is A. Is in is he. Question 51. Blank you study, blank your marks will be. A. The more the better. B. More better. C. The most the best. D. The much the good. The correct answer is A. The more the better. Question 52. The more illegible your signature is, blank assertive you are as a person. A. The less. B. The least. C. Less. D. Least. The correct answer is A. The less. Question 53. Blank you leave, blank you'll arrive. A. The earlier the sooner. B. Earlier sooner. C. The earliest the soonest. D. The early the soon. The correct answer is A. The earlier the sooner. Question 54. The colder it is, blank clothes you need to wear. A. The more. B. The most. C. More. D. Most. The correct answer is A. The more. Question 55. Blank sociable you are, blank friends you have. A. The more the more. B. More. C. The most. D. The much. The correct answer is A. The more the more. Question 56. The longer I live here, blank I like the city. A. The more. B. The most. C. More. D. Much. The correct answer is A. The more. Question 57. Blank you apologize, blank she will forgive you. A. The sooner the more easily. B. The soonest the most easily. C. Sooner more easily. D. The soon the easy. The correct answer is A. The sooner the more easily. Question 58. Which sentence is correct? A. The harder you try, the more you succeed. B. The harder you try, the most you succeed. C. The hardest you try, the more you succeed. D. More you try, more you succeed. The correct answer is A. The harder you try, the more you succeed. Question 59. If you are happy, you are nicer to other people. Rewrite using the. A. The happier you are, the nicer you are to other people. B. The happiest you are, the nicest you are to other people. C. The more happy you are, the more nice you are to other people. D. Happier you are, nicer you are to other people. The correct answer is A. The happier you are, the nicer you are to other people. Question 60. Blank you practice your English, blank you speak. A. The more the better. B. The most the best. C. More better. D. The much the well. The correct answer is A. The more the better. Question 61. A. Do you believe psychics have special powers? B. I'm blank. I need proof. A. Skeptical. B. Convincing. C. Flattering. D. Psychic. The correct answer is A. Skeptical. Question 62. Something psychics always do is say something true of almost anyone, preferably something positive, like, "You're intelligent with a great sense of humor." This technique is called blank. A. The flattering statement. B. Using a name. C. Getting information from the client. D. Identifying common medical problems. The correct answer is A. The flattering statement. Question 63. Statistics confirm that a headache is the most common female health problem, and almost half of men have a scar on their leg, so it is not surprising when a psychic sees these problems. This technique is called blank. A. Identifying common medical problems. B. The flattering statement. C. Using a name. D. Getting information from the client. The correct answer is A. Identifying common medical problems. Question 64. Coming up with a few names is always impressive. Does the letter S mean anything to you? Is a frequent strategy. This technique is called blank. A. Using a name. B. The flattering statement. C. Getting information from the client. D. Identifying common medical problems. The correct answer is A. Using a name. Question 65. A psychic can deduce a lot from your age and appearance, and most of them actually ask direct questions. This technique is called blank. A. Getting information from the client. B. Using a name. C. The flattering statement. D. Identifying common medical problems. The correct answer is A. Getting information from the client. Question 66. The opposite of skeptical is blank. A. Trusting. B. Doubtful. C. Unsure. D. Questioning. The correct answer is A. Trusting. Question 67. In a dictionary, word stress is shown by an apostrophe before the stressed syllable. In good-looking, the primary stress is on blank. A. Look. B. Good. C. Ing. D. All syllables. The correct answer is A. Look. Question 68. In Baijin, the stressed syllable is blank. A. The second. Jin. B. The first. B. C. Both. D. Neither. The correct answer is A. The second. Jin. Question 69. The word psychic is closest in meaning to blank. A. A person with special mental powers. B. A doctor. C. A scientist. D. A teacher. The correct answer is A. A person with special mental powers. Question 70. All the following are techniques used by psychics mentioned in the text, except blank. A. Getting information from the client. B. Using a name. C. Reading the client's diary. D. Identifying common medical problems. The correct answer is C. Reading the client's diary. Section 4. Writing. Questions 71 to 90. Paraphrasing, spelling, and correct sentences. Question 71. When you want to describe someone but you don't know the exact adjective, which paraphrase is best? A. She's the kind of person who always helps others. B. She is person who helps. C. She always help. D. She is a helper person. The correct answer is A. She's the kind of person who always helps others. Question 72. Which word is spelt correctly? A. Conscientious. B. Conscientious. C. Conscious. D. Conscientious. The correct answer is A. Conscientious. Question 73. Which word is spelt correctly? A. Arrogant. B. Arrogant. C. Arrogant. D. Arrogant. The correct answer is C. Arrogant. Question 74. Which word is spelt correctly? A. Possessive. B. Possessive. C. Possessive. D. Possessive. The correct answer is B. Possessive. Question 75. Which sentence is written correctly? A. She's so conscientious she always does her best in everything. B. She's so conscientious she always do her best in everything. C. She's so conscientious she always doing her best in everything. D. She's so conscientious she always done her best in everything. The correct answer is A. She's so conscientious she always does her best in everything. Question 76. Which sentence has the correct word order? A. She's rather shy and quiet. B. Rather shy and quiet she's. C. She's shy rather and quiet. D. She rather shy and quiet. The correct answer is A. She's rather shy and quiet. Question 77. Which sentence is more appropriate in formal written English? A. He is very easygoing. B. He's very easygoing, yeah. C. He is like, totally easygoing. D. Easygoing he is. The correct answer is A. He is very easygoing. Question 78. Choose the correctly punctuated question tag. A. Your sister works in a bank, doesn't she? B. Your sister works in a bank, doesn't she? C. Your sister works in a bank, doesn't she? D. Your sister works in a bank, doesn't she? The correct answer is A. Your sister works in a bank, doesn't she? Question 79. Which sentence correctly describes a person who never changes his mind? A. He's the kind of person who never changes his mind. B. He is never changing mind. C. He changes never his mind. D. He is a never changing mind person. The correct answer is A. He's the kind of person who never changes his mind. Question 80. Why do we write an informal signature and not an informal signature? A. Because informal starts with a vowel sound. B. Because informal is a long word. C. Because signature is a singular noun. D. Because informal ends with a vowel. The correct answer is A. Because informal starts with a vowel sound. Question 81. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. She's so imaginative, she always has good ideas. B. She's so imaginative, she always have good ideas. C. She's so imaginative, she always has good ideas. D. She's so imagination, she always has good ideas. The correct answer is A. She's so imaginative, she always has good ideas. Question 82. Which sentence correctly uses the? A. The more he earns, the more he spends. B. More he earns, more he spends. C. The most he earns, the most he spends. D. The much he earns, the much he spends. The correct answer is A. The more he earns, the more he spends. Question 83. Which word is misspelt? A. Cheerful. B. Considerate. C. Talkative. D. Reliable. The correct answer is C. Talkative. Question 84. Choose the sentence that is not correct. A. She's the kind of person who is always cheerful. B. He tends to be a bit impatient. C. She is very ambitious. D. He's extremely talkative. The correct answer is C. She is very ambitious. Question 85. Which sentence correctly describes an optimistic person? A. He's the kind of person who always looks on the bright side. B. He always looks bright side. C. He's always looking the bright. D. He looks on bright side always. The correct answer is A. He's the kind of person who always looks on the bright side. Question 86. In the sentence the more illegible your signature is, the less assertive you are, the structure shows that blank. A. One thing depends on another. B. Two things are the same. C. One thing happened first. D. Two people are compared. The correct answer is A. One thing depends on another. Question 87. Which of the following is a complete, correct sentence? A. You're Tom's sister, aren't you? B. You're Tom's sister, aren't you? C. You're Tom's sister, aren't you? D. You're Tom's sister, aren't you? The correct answer is A. You're Tom's sister, aren't you? Question 88. To describe your friend as someone who never gets stressed, the best sentence is blank. A. Omar is very easygoing, he never gets stressed. B. Omar very easygoing, never stressed. C. Omar is easygoing person. D. Omar never gets stressed, he is easygoing person. The correct answer is A. Omar is very easygoing, he never gets stressed. Question 89. Which sentence has correct spelling and grammar? A. She's so helpful, she always gives me a hand. B. She's so helpful, she always gives me a hand. C. She's so helpful, she always give me a hand. D. She's so help, she always gives me a hand. The correct answer is A. She's so helpful, she always gives me a hand. Question 90. Choose the best sentence to end a description of a person. A. In short, he is ambitious, optimistic, and reliable. B. In short, he is ambition, optimistic, and reliability. C. In short, he is ambitious person. D. In short, he ambitious and optimistic. The correct answer is A. In short, he is ambitious, optimistic, and reliable. Congratulations! You have completed the 90-question 1B sample test. Count your correct answers, and review the questions you missed. Remember to practice the auxiliary verbs and the plus comparatives. Practice a little every day, and you will do great in your exam. Good luck, and see you in the next sample test.